Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page in the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, June the 8th, June the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku here, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. This one will be number 8682. 8682. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 printed digits. Should be the easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Double those numbers. We got 16 here. So I think it's rather a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, 13 minutes. Maybe it's a 1-star puzzle. 1-star puzzle need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1-star or 0 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Alright, the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because a single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and 2, 1 and 2, do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see only 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. I cannot fill those numbers. Need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Alright, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape. Can I place the T shape now? Well, let me place it here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape, in this case here, should be 4 or a 5. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 2 of them. Maximum 6 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. But in this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes, surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left with 5 in this area supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, 1 number 2. And the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. 4 and 1. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then these. Wait. I need to wait here. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box level 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then this box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box level 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4. And 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2. And 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. I've marked this box with 4 or 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also 5. Then this box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. That box can also not be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes in. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then, let me see. Let me see. 1. Well, these two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. Not a solution. Place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. Then. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quarter box should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. And this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Let me see. Come on. 5, 3. Come on. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 4 and 5. 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 5. Because give me 1. Give me 2. Give me 3. Give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left on 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left on 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 3 and 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Cannot feel this yet. This box can be 1. That means that these 2 boxes could be a 1. That box can also not be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. And this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 over there. So the only place left with a 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area. Quarter box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Well, I cannot place a 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 11 minutes! Well. Told you, 0 stars. Need to be faster than 13 minutes. Oh, we left 2 numbers here. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. Well. 12 minutes then. Okay. Overlooked. So we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Saturday evening. We'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.